Alright, so hi guys, so in today's video, in this part, I'm just gonna go and continue and paint some of mine. I'm gonna paint more flowers. So as you can see here, I painted some flowers. Oops, probably gonna use a bigger brush and then dip it. I have 2 waters here so that I have extra clean brushes. I like to use them. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go and pick whatever color I want. You can pick whatever color you want, but in today's video I'm just gonna go and pick this blue color and use that. I'm gonna mix it with this dry color here. And I'm just gonna go and paint. Alright, so I painted some of these flowers, and I am just repainting this area because some water dropped and I ruined the paint, and I accidentally touched the black and it went all over my fingers, but here it is. So I'm just gonna prepare some of the brown. Brown stuff. Yeah. That's nice. It's gonna have a bluer, more kind of a blue in the center. Be a white, white or blue, because I can't really see the difference. But yeah, okay, there we go. It's getting kind of cloudy, but that's fine. Hope you guys can still see it clearly. I'm just gonna go and paint this, the center as well. Alright, maybe I'll mix some brown here. I wonder how that will look like. Alright, you can see the center more clearly. So what I'm gonna do with this is, what I can do is use some marker and trace all over it and create lines and see how that looks like. So I'm gonna go grab a marker and yeah. Alright, so now I have my marker. So I'm just using my Sharpie again.